Hello, join me. Let's unbox one of the invitation cards. These elegant and charming invitation cards are perfect for all your special occasions. Whether it is wedding, naming ceremony, birthday celebration, or any event, these cards are designed to impress. Set or each pack comes with 10 beautiful envelopes and 10 cards. But that is not all. We don't just sell invitation cards, we design and print them too. So why go to different places for invitation cards when you can get everything from us? Reach out to us today for unique creativity at affordable prices. Gendosa Graphics, the house of unique creativity.